Hunter's dad supposedly called the cops to do a welfare check on Hunter. Supposedly Hunter's at Alley's, but he's got it on his community page that she wouldn't let him do a welfare check. Bullshit. Excuse me, I didn't mean to sneeze. Welfare checks mean the cops are going to see the person. So I don't know who's telling what story to who. Sorry, I didn't mean to sneeze and say, but sneeze out bullshit. Phew. I gotta work on my sneezing. Because welfare checks, they don't want to see the kid. Unless he's not there. The way she's wording it, H was there, but according to him, Allie won't let him in. I'm sorry, don't buy it. Not buying it now. Supposedly can't talk anything about H anymore. According to the cops. Again, that's bullshit. Dang, I got the sneezes today. But I don't know, I ain't buying it. For me personally, I believe that, like, let's go swimming right there. We're gonna dive right out there. Right in the ocean. Just ain't buying it. I keep people catching a flip-flop. Bye.